How are you all? So we are going to start our new class, and today we are going to install the Jupyter Notebook on our Windows. Okay, so follow the steps for download the Jupyter Notebook. ठीक है? Okay, let's start. First of all, you have to search Python and you have to download Python on your system. ठीक है? You have to visit the python.org and go to the download button and then download the latest version of Python, which is 3.13.2. Okay, click on download and it will download. Then it will start downloading. Just wait for the download. After completion of the download, you have to visit on that website and the software. Just click on it and it will open a dialog box. Just tick all the tick marks and install now. It will take your permission from you and just press yes. After installation, you have to follow the steps which I will tell you. After installation, you have to watch. You have a icon dialog box which will show you that setup was successful. Just close it and search command prompt on your system. Enter it, and you have to write a command which is pip install notebook. Just enter on it, and it will execute. After some time, you have to see it will start downloading, and you have to just wait for some time. After completion of your download, you have to write another command to run the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, wait for it. After download after it get download, you have to just close that tab and reopen the command prompt. Write command prompt and just enter on it, and you have to just put a command Jupyter Notebook, and it will run on your browser. You have to see a notebook here. It will be visible. It can take some time, and here is your notebook which has opened, and you have to just create a go new and Python 3. It will create a new notebook, blank notebook for you. Just use it. It can take a while. Here is your notebook, and you have to just your code here, print hello. The code will be executed after shift enter. Okay, just press shift enter to run the code. So that's all for today, and watch complete video to set up. Subscribe the channel and like the video, share, comment on it.